So, good day, everyone. Welcome to Reality Report. Today, we're diving into the world of enterprise asset management, or EAM, for facility management. I have Melina here with me, who is industry consultant for Hexagon EAM and has worked with various customers in facility management. So, before we get started, let's set the stage. Melina, could you please tell us what are the main challenges that facility managers are facing today?
Absolutely. It's a pleasure to be here. The main challenge for facility management today is that it's expected to deliver on a number of fronts, from better occupant satisfaction to lower costs, to better maintenance, to sustainability. And when we talk to professionals, it's usually in an all-of-the-above approach, with the need to pursue multiple goals at once. Regulatory compliance is going to be a growing burden, especially in the EU. For example, the Energy Performance Building Directive will impose the use of a building automation control system that can monitor and analyze energy consumption. So, in general, with the European Green Deal, we are going towards the idea that things like energy efficiency should be something appreciated, monitored, and auditable across the building's life cycle. And lastly, the economic context is quite difficult today, and that has direct impacts on facility management. There is inflation, labor shortages, high turnover, both in hard services such as the plumbing or electricians, and soft services such as janitors. And there are additional challenges in some verticals such as commercial real estate as well. And all of these factors cut into earnings, right? That's the main problem nowadays.
In many of these challenges, you mentioned technology also has a rising role, right? So when you talk to the players in the field, whether they're service providers or in-house departments, what do you see as the main obstacles?
Well, when you look at the technology that is central to achieving these goals, you see two things. Traditional facility management software solutions, such as a computer-aided facility management system, have typically not been developed to manage smart buildings or for the central role of energy management today. And the result or the consequence is that companies have commonly turned to many point solutions, and with that comes a lot of data silos. You have many different systems like building management system, maintenance, the help desk, service request or inventory, that work in isolation and are difficult to integrate. And a lot of information is stored manually on spreadsheets or in manual logs. So as a result, the issue is rarely that data does not exist. Quite the opposite. Buildings are getting smarter with sensors and a lot of usage data. It's that it's difficult to pull from different resources, different sources, and make it actionable, right? So there's often a gap between the potential of technology and the practical reality of implementing and managing them effectively.
That makes sense. And Melina, you come from the world of enterprise asset management. Do you see the technology evolving in ways that can help solve these challenges?
Totally, yes, absolutely. In the world of facility management, EAM is often perceived as a maintenance solution. But today, the reality is that it can do much more than that. There's a whole ecosystem that meets the needs of facility management. It starts with a comprehensive asset registry that can identify all a building's assets, their maintenance history, their performance history, where it is located, and so on. Importantly, it can really serve as a centerpiece that connects multiple sources of data. Hexagon EAM has evolved into a sophisticated platform that can integrate and cross real-time monitoring data from IoT devices, operational data from ERP systems, energy consumption, fleet management, and so on. So It can also centralize functions that were previously scattered, such as call center management, alerts, inspections, maintenance, and business analytics, to really get that complete view of what is going on with an asset. And this can lead to richer data, of course, and better decisions. Because, for example, you can decide whether to repair or whether to invest and replace an asset. And to support all of this, mobility is essential. With Hexagon EAM, we have mobile apps that can support maintenance, but also inventory management, or inspections, or procedures, or procedures and learning. And field workers can collect, monitor, and act on that data that their buildings produce, taking advantage of the cloud. And all of these will bring clear benefits. Compliance is, of course, much easier. Companies are equipped to monitor and reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions with this complete view over the asset life cycle. Companies see a 28% rise in staff productivity, with cost reductions coming from working smarter, with less need of overtime, and lower maintenance labor expenses. And lastly, equipment lasts longer, and companies have a much clearer picture of the impact of investment decisions. And in the current context, cost certainty and operational efficiency are going to be key drivers and success factors.
That sounds quite impressive. And the EAM can effectively support various industries, right? So Melina, thank you. I appreciate you sharing these insights with us. And thank you for joining. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. And we look forward to seeing you again for our next episode.
Thank you.